Hi, this is Dr. Serena Satcher. I'm answering questions about stress this month. What factors can exacerbate stress was the next question. So, a lack of good lifestyle habits can increase cortisol levels in the body that I mentioned before, that comes from the adrenal glands. So, things like lacking sleep, lack of exercise, eating a poor diet, or the standard American diet, having strained relationships, a history of trauma or grief that's unresolved, major life stressors like we talked about before, work stress, family stress, lack of housing, poor living conditions, chronic noise above a certain level can cause stress in the body, lack of hope, not having control over an outcome, worrying. Times like we're living in right now with the pandemic can be stressful to many people. There can be lasting effects on a person's mental health, and chronic stress can result in mental health diagnosis. Stress may result in diseases of the cardiovascular system or the heart that includes heart attacks, strokes, arrhythmias, blood pressure issues, and it can result in digestive issues, obesity, eating disorders. It can result in problems with sexual functioning in men and women, skin and hair problems, sleep issues, and menstrual cycle issues.